Hello babes and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a bunch of things I got from a brand called Gothic. It is the brand of Gothic jewelry. This is their logo, they're called G-Thick, but I'm gonna say Gothic throughout the whole video. In their package they sent me their jewelry in these beautiful jewelry boxes, which I really love and I'm gonna keep because I think they're very useful. And they also sent me a little catalog, which is just a selection of their collection. They have a lot more things than they are displaying here, but it's a nice catalog if you want to check out their range. And they also sent me this ring measuring device to tell your ring size. Having one of these at hand can be really useful if you want to buy things online. By the way, they gave me a discount code for you. It's Vesmetinia for 20% off. I think they also have a buy two get one free promotion right now, so if you want to get something from them, make sure to use all the promotions and get a better price. But all their stuff is super affordable and it's high quality. I think some of the things I got are made of sterling silver and others of another metal, but it's a high quality one, so it won't turn green or a weird color, so you won't get green or red skin when you wear it. Let's start with the jewelry itself. Let's open this one first because it's smaller. Okay, so inside this box I got the earrings, and these are ring boxes, so you can place the rings in here. All the earrings come individually packaged in these plastic bags. And let's open them. I got two of these, which is an ankh with a purple gemstone. It matches my top. So here's the other one of the ankh earrings. Now I'm wearing it so you can see how it looks like on. It's quite big, but it's not heavy at all. Here's another design I got. It's an inverted cross. By the way, I will leave all the links in the description box in case you want to check out something from them. So you don't have to browse through their website because they have a lot of things. So if you want to see something specific, I will leave the link for you. This is super beautiful. It's quite big, so I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. And finally, I got one of a little bag with another purple gemstone. This is how it looks like on. It is probably my favorite of the three earrings I got. It's super beautiful. And this is how all the earrings look together, so you can see a little size comparison between the three earrings. I'm absolutely in love with all the designs for the earrings, but let's move on to the rings. I'm pretty sure they're in this box. It's the same as the other one, so let's open it. Okay, I hope you can see it, but I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, so let's start trying them on. My favorite is this coffin one. It has a little vampire inside the coffin, and I got this one in a size 5, which is, I think, their smallest size because I have pretty small fingers and I wanted to wear it here. For me, it's usually very difficult to find rings that fit because I have super thin fingers. So I'm really happy that some of the designs are available in a size 5. I was lucky enough to get this one in this size, which is super beautiful. This is the second ring I got. It's a sigil of Lucifer, and by the way, all the rings I got are made of stainless steel, so they won't turn green when you wear them. I really like this design. I think it's super beautiful, and it also has some details on the sides, so it's super detailed and amazing. And finally, I got a cross ring. This one was bigger. I'm not sure if it was a size 7, but I think it's going to be really good for this finger. Or maybe even for my thumb and this finger, but I think it looks much better on my index. So I hope you guys enjoyed the selection of things I got for this video. I'm absolutely in love with everything and it's completely my style. I'm always super happy to find rings that fit me because for me it's super difficult given that I have very thin fingers. I'm a size 5 or even a 4.5 in this ring in probably a 4 in this finger, so not everyone has my size available, and I was super lucky to find this and this in my size, and this a little bit bigger, but also perfect for this finger, so I can wear rings all over my hands, which is something I've always loved. Don't forget to use my discount code, which is Vesmodinia, if you decide to get anything from them, to get 20% off and get an even better price, even though their stuff is quite affordable to begin with. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!